Hello and welcome to another Music Frame Auto Show. You know, DIY shit with Mad Roy, me, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's Mad Roy, man. It's Mad Roy. Why ya? I just want to know, man.
Today we working on a Dodge 2000 journey, Dodge Journey 2010, and we're changing the front brakes pads. We're changing the front brake pads, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. And let's get on to it. So, as you can see here, the tires are all up. I'm all jacked up. This is my jack under there. Now my brakes right here. This is the caliper. My brakes right here is done. So what I'm gonna do? Take this out. This nut out. The one below, cause two. You can see the one. There's two. There's one right there, and one right there. So we take them out. Take the caliper out, and then this tube right here got to go way back up. So I'm gonna use a regular clamp to push it back up, and I'll show you guys. So what I'm using here is a 1/2 inch socket. See, 1/2 inch, cause a 1/2 inch bolt. So yeah. Now the caliper is off. You can see the caliper. I mean, they're too close. But the caliper is off. What I need to do is get this back in. So now I'm just gonna put an old brake pad right there. And with that clamp, just gonna clamp it back. Gonna clamp it back, push it back right in. And there you have it. The caliper is all pushed back with the clamp right there. So yeah, so what I did, the one with the warning right there, I put onto the back. The one with no warning, which a piece of thing is the warning, so just put in there, in there, bam. Then the caliper over. Yep. The caliper, put the caliper over, and screws on, and you're done.